Hey everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where we talk about the things we love to collect in our home. Today we are talking about a birthday gift for the mister that we picked up in Japan. Very excited about it. I'm going to give you a little bit of a backstory, but we are talking backpacks today. Grab yourself something to drink. Let's get into it. In Japan, one of the things that we noticed were school children and the backpacks that they carried. They carried backpacks that looked like this. It was a backpack that had this rounded appearance that went over the side. There was this flap, and it piqued my husband's interest. And when we were there, we kept looking. You can see that. This is from a different company. But we were looking for this style. This company makes these bags, but they're made to order. So we wound up finding a company, going to the store, trying on a variety of backpacks. He wanted something that was smaller than our Goyard bag because he took the Goyard bag while we were abroad, but it's big. And then he has a smaller Italian leather bag. So he was looking for something that was kind of a mixture between the two of those that had that flap. And we found this company that is Tsuchiya Kaban. I don't know if that's how you say it, but we brought home this baby. Now the box got a little damaged on our way home, but we were able to secure it, and I'm really excited about it. So this company makes the they call it the Lauderdale Randoseru, which is like that, but I do believe that they also, I don't know if you have to custom order theirs, but you were not able to, you could go and look at those bags, but you couldn't buy them. But this was the adult version. So after making the bags that they styled for students and for children, they wound up making the adult version, and that is what we have here. And their leather is amazing. It's made in Japan. It was we paid about $1,200. If you go online, it's listed at $16,500 for this bag. This is the Otona Rancel in wide. There she is. Absolutely beautiful. Love the overall construction of this. This bag is 14.37 inches by 10.63 inches by 4.33 inches. So 14.37 tall, 10.63 wide, 10.63 long, 4.33 wide. And the straps can go from 24 inches to 34 inches. Now, I'm gonna take it apart. You have to press the button underneath to release it. There we go. Okay. So the buckle is hidden for this sleek design. The buckle goes into this component right here. And there's actually a side pocket. And the thing I love, so there was another version of this backpack that was in a more supple leather that was pebbled. Same exact thing, but in a pebbled leather. It's not the same exact thing. There was one difference. The one difference is this feature right here. So this is the zipper pull tab. And if you notice, there's a snap on the zipper pull tab. And the reason that the snap is there is because the snap is there is because of this right here. I don't know if you can see that, but this is where the snap goes. And the reason that they have that is so that you can use it for security. So you snap it in so that way when your bag is closed, people can't unzip it here. But, what?
And it's a clean look.
And it's a clean look. But if you have the snap, if you have the flap closed, you can get into the side pocket without opening the flap. So that's a feature that they created on purpose. They wanted you to be able to have easy access here if you needed to, but also secure it for safety. And this pocket is gusseted in the front, so it expands a little bit, and it actually does fit a long wallet. So you could put your wallet in here, you could put your phone in here, and then when you're ready to go, you snap it into place, and it's secure. So the front buckle here slides in the front, and it's sturdy, so you can see from the side. So you press the bottom to release it. There are two flaps on the inside of the bag here that protect your items from falling out. And there are pockets on the inside. All right. There is one main pocket in the front, and it's very deep. So it's just put your stuff in it and you're good to go. There are other versions that I think expanded a little bit, but it didn't have the flap in the front. It was 2 compartments, and so it didn't have that look of what my husband was going for. He wanted the flap style, and this fits that need.
And it's structured.
And it's structured, which is very pretty. So that's the inside. Well, if you look at the back has this padding for comfort, and the straps as well. The straps are made from comfort as well. And when you go online, what it says about that is that from the production of the bags that they made, the school bag style with the big rounded, they took that to then create this comfortable, breathable strap. So the straps actually are made in a breathable a breathable leather. And there are 8 different links that you can use for the backpack. And the buckle is beautiful. Move this down a little bit. The buckle is protected here. And you have the hardware as well. You can see the feet down at the bottom of the bag. So you have protection on the bottom as well. And then you have this little handle to lift. And I just think it's very, very nice quality. It's a very nice leather. It's smaller than the Goyard backpack. It is bigger than the Italian backpack that he has, which you got in Rome. So now we have a Japan backpack, we have a Rome backpack, and we have it's a France backpack, but that we bought in America from Goyard. So this was a really nice, this was a birthday present. We bought it on the eve of his birthday. And I like the leather. I think it's really pretty. We wanted to buy the other one just because it was a little bit less expensive, but the style on this was better, and just think that if you're gonna make the purchase, get the one your heart really sings about. And my favorite thing about this bag is this pocket right here. I love that snap extra added feature. So over time, this leather will become a little bit more supple. It will get more worn in. It will retain the structure. But this is really a great brand. They do have a global website, so you can have them shipped to you here in America. But this is a Japanese-made brand, and I think it was a great find. So I'm really excited about it. Great birthday gift. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, all the things.